My name's Barry Reitman. I'm the author of Secrets, Tips, and Tricks of a Powerful Memory, and I'd like to discuss a common problem: remembering to take something with you in the morning on the way to work or on the way to school. I think we've all had that where we get halfway there, or we get to work, or we get to school, oh my goodness, I forgot something. Let's have an idea of how to do it. I'm going to give this to you in 2 steps because it can be fun. The first thing is, the front door of your home probably is constructed of steel. Sneak over to the kitchen and take a couple of those silly magnets that you have on the refrigerator and put them on your front door. Normally keep them where the hinge is so that when the door swings or slams too hard, it won't get the full effect, so they won't fall down. But tonight, when you're working on the Smithers contract for work, and you must remember to take that with you in the morning, take a piece of paper and write Smithers and put it under the magnet. Now move that magnet over to the doorknob side. You can't miss it. That's one way. But after you do that a couple of times, here's the fun way. Don't write it down. Instead, take that magnet, put it over to the doorknob side, and see it being blown to smithereens by a piece of dynamite. Smithereens, oh yeah, the Smithers contract. And if you see that magnet having been moved from the hinge side to the doorknob side, you know you have to remember something. What do you have to remember? The thing that's in your picture, that magnet being blown to smithereens. And yes, you can even take it the next step and just every night think about what you have to take in the morning and associate it to the doorknob. If you don't happen to like Mr. Smithers, whose contract you're working on, rip the doorknob off and bonk him in the head. That's how you can remember every single morning to take what you have to take.